Whoa. Hello? Calling in. Heard something odd.
Is like a sitting duck, staying in queue. It's only a matter of time before Langley catches up with him. If I was Knight, I'd be long gone.
That was the plan. Then Knight pulls a fast one. Now he wants his girlfriend to go with him across the curtain. Naturally, Kremlin says no, wasn't part of the agreement. Knight says he's got documents on the other Soviet spies in the US. Documents that'll leak into the wrong hands in case anything happens to him or his girlfriend.
Right, now to set the trap. The ejector seat mechanism has been disabled. You may need a tool to re-enable it.
Grease this little sucker. I told him like 100 times. Does anybody listen? Oh no. And then they go like, it's broken. We don't know what to do. Pablo, where are you?
Well done, Initiate. I dare say this is an accident waiting to happen.
Mr. How's the mechanic today?
Jasper Knight, we gotta go over the safety protocol. Follow me, please.
Ugh. Must we really? Is it dangerous? Well, it must be, mustn't it? Why else would there be a safety protocol? I'm not crazy about airplanes. Is it going to do that thing where it flips on its head? I don't like that one bit. Not one bit.
Don't worry. You're in good hands.
So are we doing
way,
this or
please.
what? Hello? You, Grease Monkey. What's the holdup? Unbelievable.
Jasper Knight, we gotta go over the safety protocol. Follow me, please.
Ugh. Must we really?
Don't push me, man.
Okay, Mr. Knight. Climb in the cockpit, please.
All right. Easy. One step at a time.
Step 1. Strap yourself in.
Okay. All strapped in.
Step 2. Locate the ejector seat handle.
Yes, found it.
Step 3. Pull the ejector seat handle.
Right. Here it goes. Pull.
Target down. You did it. Now head towards an exit.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations, Agent. You are cleared for field duty.